Hello student, today we will do question number 7 from exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. For this, we can write this sine x minus a plus a divided by sine x minus a. This we can write by using formula sine a plus b. This is a and this is b. So sine a into cos b plus cos a sine a. Divided by sine x minus a. Now we will divide this sine x minus a into cos a divided by sine x minus a plus cos x minus a divided by sine x minus a into sine a. Now we will integrate this. Integration of sine x divided by sine x minus a dx is equal to this will be cut. So integration of this will be cos a into dx plus integration of this cos x minus a into sine a divided by sine x minus a dx. This is cos a is constant, so we will take out cos a 1 dx. Here sine a is constant, so sine a cos x minus a by sine x minus a dx. Now we will integrate. This is cos a and into x plus here sine a, and integration of this will be log sine x minus a plus c. So answer will be x cos a plus sine a into log sine x minus a plus C. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.